Dive into the intriguing life of Pete Carroll, the renowned head coach of the Seattle Seahawks. Born in 1951, he's been coaching since 1973 and has made his mark in the NFL despite never playing professionally. Did you know Carroll is the second oldest coach to win the Super Bowl? He's a Californian at heart with a love for water recreation. He's also the brains behind Camp Pete, a virtual platform that instills his win forever philosophy in young minds. In 2003, Carroll founded A Better LA, a charity addressing violence in deprived LA neighborhoods. His daring play calling earned him the nickname Big Balls Pete, and his coaching philosophy? It's heavily influenced by the book, The Inner Game of Tennis. After being let go by the Patriots, Carroll combined the philosophies of Jerry Garcia and John Wooden to forge his own competitive approach. He's also a prankster, known for his antics with USC alumni and actor Will Ferrell. With stints at the Jets, Patriots, and Seahawks, he's a seasoned NFL veteran. After his time with the Jets and Patriots ended, he spent a year as an analyst before heading to USC. There he left a 10-year legacy that significantly shaped the BCS era. Discover more about Pete Carroll, a man who's much more than just a coach.